Welcome back. Bail application of Sunil Gudlar and Atala came up for hearing on Saturday. However, public prosecutor in Dudu's case argued that the case was of serious nature as Gudlar has been alleged in the case which he was investigating. Public prosecutor in Atala's case claimed that he himself has been threatened by Atala. He demanded police custody of him as he may tamper with the evidence.
Suspended PSI Sunil Gudlar and alleged drug peddler Atala's bail application came up for hearing before NDPS Judge Nutan Sardesai on Saturday. Gudlar was investigating the case. CBI has now alleged him in the same case wherein he was the investigating officer. CBI arrested Gudlar on 6th March for fabricating false case of possession of narcotics of commercial quantity. Special Public Prosecutor for CBI, Advocate Joseph Was, argued that Dudu was picked up from his house in Anjuna. He was not picked from a chapel in Anjuna. Gudlar was tampering with the evidences. The case made on Dudu is fabricated. Drug substance was planted in the case by Gudlar. On the other side, counsel for Sunil Gudlar, Advocate Galileo Talis, has strongly demanded bail for Sunil Gudlar.
So my principal argument was that the accused who is involved in this particular crime, when he was brought in remand before the courts at that particular point of time, has never said that he was being falsely implicated or that drugs were planted by the applicant on this particular person. Even in the reply, it is nowhere their case that they require the applicant for recovery or that this matter is serious in nature. So principally my arguments were that see, this person is available for trial and he is not absconding, he is having roots in the society.
However, the matter has been kept for order on 22nd March. Meanwhile, Atala alias Yaniv Benaim's bail application also came up for hearing in the NDPS court on Saturday. Counsel for Atala says CBI has no evidence that Atala got drugs from Muddemal through police. CBI has no evidence of Atala selling the drugs to people. Atala will visit CBI office whenever needed, hence the bail be granted. Public prosecutor says CBI needs Atala in police custody for detailed investigation. Atala had threatened me. Atala said, "I will show you who I am." If Atala can threaten public prosecutor, he can also tamper with the evidences and witnesses. Matter on Atala's bail has been fixed on 21st March. Our reporter in Panji, Lokik Shilkar, with video journalist Ravinder Dalvi.
Parishioners from Bati are aggrieved over the non-payment of salary to the sacristan who works in the parish. The sacristan has not been paid his salary for the last 3 years. But the church says the issue can only be resolved if the parish priest brings it up with the archbishop's notice.
This sacristan from Bati says he has not been paid his salary for the last 3 years. Silva Raja, who works at the Our Lady of Guadalupe Church at Bati, along with some parishioners, came to meet the Archbishop to resolve the issue. He says the church committee has not paid his salary amounting to around 1 lakh rupees. They say even the parish priest has not been paid.
बाटी गोजी काम करता 5 वर्ष झाले काम करता ही गोजी साकिस्तान काम आणि पेदे काम करता सगळे काम करता 3 वर्सां म्हाका पगार दिवूक ना कितें जोडटाय ते आमकां खबर ना केस्तांव जाता हिंग गेल्यार हिंगा ते कोत्ताय म्हणून खबर सांगताय पगार दिना जाल्यार आमी कितें करतले.
However, the church authorities say that the parish priest has to report the matter to the archbishop.
आमी सांगले की हो प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करपाक पुलीस वाटेर आमी 5 विग्राक म्हणूंक जाय आनी 5 विग्राचें कोलॅबोरेशन आसूंक जाय. ताचें कोलॅबोरेशन नासतना हो प्रॉब्लेम आमच्यान जायना बिकॉज वी हॅव नॉर्म्स ऑफ द चर्च ओके आनीक त्या प्रमाणे आमी चलता न्हू एकॉर्डिंग टू आवर नॉर्म्स ऑफ द चर्च. सो तेंच सांगलें तांकां आमी की पयले सुवातेर आमकां 5 विगार मेळूंक जाय कित्याक तुमी येवन आनी आमकां सांगून जायना प्रॉब्लेम. We have to meet, the problem is with the parish priest, so we have to meet the parish priest. We are trying to contact the parish priest, that's it.
Our reporter in Bati, Jason Suarez.
The yellow-black motorcycle stand has been shifted to the opposite side of the taxi stand at the Konkan Railway Corporation in Madgaon. They shifted the yellow-black motorcycle stand following High Court directives. Authorities inspected the stand as per the notification by the district collector.
Regional Transport Authority in Madgaon along with DYSP Traffic and Konkan Railway officials inspected the motorcycle and taxi stand near Konkan Railway Station on Thursday. As per the High Court directives, the pilots of yellow-black motorcycles will have to park their motorcycles on the right-hand side of the approach road near KRC in Madgaon.
There are directions on the court to shift this yellow-black motorcycle taxis to the right-hand side of the approach road as per the notification issued by the district collector.
It may be recalled that Madgaon Taxi Drivers and Owners Association had filed a writ petition in the High Court asking to shift the motorcycle stand away from the taxi stand. President of Madgaon Taxi Drivers and Owners Association, Venkatesh Keni, informed that they were facing losses due to the motorcycle and illegal tourist taxis parked in the proposed taxi stand.
Motorcycle is side left hand side of the आमगे काउंटरा मुखार रावल्या आनी आमगे आयिल्ले भाडे आडायतात आयिल्ल्या विचारता टॅक्सी म्हणटा ती भाडी व्हरता आनी भायर दिता सगळे दोग जाण चुक जाण व्हरतात आनी सगळी गाडयां भायर दिता आनी आमकां हांगा काउंटराक 1.5 लाख रुपया फारीक करचो पडटा ताका लागून आमकां सारको लॉस जाता.
The taxi drivers have also objected to the tourist taxi stand on the western side of the railway station. They allege that Madgaon municipality is dilly-dallying the matter. Our reporter in Madgaon, Savio Dice.
News from sports after you come back from a short break. Stay tuned.